In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an Elementor page as your home page. If you're building a site with WordPress and using Elementor, you might wonder how to make your beautifully designed page the face of your site, the first thing visitors see when they land on your web address. Luckily, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it so that you can make the most of your site's design. To start, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, scroll down the left-hand menu until you find the option labeled Settings. It's located towards the bottom of the menu. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down list of categories. From these, select Reading. This is where we can decide how and what content is displayed on your site's front page. Once you're in the reading settings, you'll notice a section called Your Homepage Displays. By default, WordPress is typically set to display your latest posts, which means it functions more like a blog. For people using Elementor, though, we want to personalize this page, so you'll need to select the option named A Static Page. This change allows you to specify a particular page created with Elementor as your homepage. Now, look for the section labeled Homepage. You'll find a drop-down menu containing all the pages you've created. Within this menu, you should see the page you designed using Elementor. Simply click on that drop-down and select the page you wish to set as your homepage. This selection tells WordPress to direct visitors to this beautifully crafted page whenever they visit your site's main address. After choosing your desired page, a crucial step remains, and that's clicking on the Save Changes button. You'll find this button at the bottom of the page. It's imperative to click Save Changes, because this action finalizes your adjustments and ensures everything functions correctly. Without saving, your settings won't be updated, meaning your site won't reflect the changes you made. In summary, by navigating to Settings and Reading in your WordPress dashboard, selecting a static page under Homepage Displays, and choosing your Elementor page from the drop-down list before hitting Save Changes, you establish your Elementor masterpiece as the welcoming face of your website. And that's it. You've now set your Elementor page as your home page. This setup not only offers a consistent and professional appearance, but also showcases your unique design skills right from the start. Whether you're focusing on stunning visuals, seamless navigation, or both, your visitors will be immediately greeted with the vision you've crafted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps bring your website to life.